Hello Gothletts, and I have this month's Coven box with me, which is the Reaper. We're still back in a different room as I'm decorating, so my room's taken up. It also sounds like my neighbours are doing some extensive work in their house, so if you hear banging, please ignore it. Let's get in. I'm excited for this one. So there's my card. Thank you for your order. I think that's a nice touch. This is I did have my husband open it beforehand and put this upside down so I can't see what's in it. So we'll take that aside. And let's get in. Ooh. So I love my job coaster. And what does it say at the top? Sorry, I'm just going to have to move it closer because I'm dying. Sorry, you're dying. I do like that coaster. That is cute. And that pink. And it's a cork-backed one as well. Really nice. What's this? Ooh. So home and gift collection, stemless even glass. Let's get into this one. I do have a lot of these glasses, not the Nemesis now one, but the stemless ones. I'll show you because I have one right next to me. And I like these. This one's mine for today. It's got a skeleton hand on it. So this should go nicely in my collection. So back to opening it. Ooh, that is not last orders. I like that. Is it etched on? It is a vinyl, but that is a nice glass, and I'll definitely make use of that. It goes with the coaster. Little cat. Oh, it reminds me of murder mittens. Just move that to the side. Got lots of boxes in here today. Right, now we've got this one. This is Alchemy giftware. Guessing this may be an ornament. Let's have a look. Right. Now, I don't have scissors on me. Let's see if we can find an end to this. Or I do know somebody is upstairs who may be able to help me. So let me pause this and get some scissors. Right, so I am on pause. Ooh. Two, or is it one that goes together? Let's have a look at this one. Mine's hollow. Look at that. That is cute. See what the other one's like. Oh, ping pong bong. Off that goes. Oh, that's laid down. Reminds me of Jeff Goldblum in Jurassic Park. Oh, they are cute. I know a shelf they'll go nicely on. Let's move that out of the way. Let's refocus. Move a little bit. There we go. Right, let's dig in. Oh, so that is a cute Reaper pen. That is. Let's have a look. Oh, small nib. I like those. Oh, What else have we got? Oh, we've got a little pin badge there. That is so cute. That is stinking cute, and it's got plastic backing. Oh, and this can go on my new battle jacket. Whistle while you lurk. I like that. And again, it's a patch that can be sewn or iron on, which is cool. Socks. These are getting a staple in the Coven books now, and I really do like them. So it's therefore they're like tarot card socks. They are cool. Really good quality. There's a few more things. Ooh. Ooh, it's a bottle opener. Could put it on a keychain, dead inside, and it's a kitty cat Reaper as well. It's really hard to tell just because of how I've got the light in here, but it is a really deep metallic purple. I'll go if I can get it right. There we are. It says dead inside, so I think that might be going on my keychain, especially when I go away. I want a bottle opener. Oh, and this is plaque. Oh, a greeting tin card. Oh, and it's the Reaper. That is rather nice, that. Which brings me nicely on to, if you haven't checked it out, we have Olivia who does weekly tarot pulls. And on our website, deadchatty.uk, you can find all the pulls she's done with explanations about the cards, keywords, and any other significant information on them. So, you know, feel free to check those out. Oh, I think this is the last little thing. I can't see no more in there. And we have a little cat Reaper magnet. That is so cute, so that can go with my other magnets. So that looks like that is everything out of the box. Can't see anything else, so we'll move this aside if I can. There we are, and we'll go through the list and go through what we've got. Here's the list. So the March theme is Reaper. So Creeper Ornaments by Nemesis now, which is these two beauties. There's the other one, it's hiding under the socks. Then we have got a spooky Reaper pen, one of two designs. So obviously we've got one of the designs there. It does look like he might glow in the dark. I'm not going to test it out, but that is cute. Then we move on to the cute Reaper pin, which is that one. Then we've got Last Order's Stemless Wine Glass by Alchemy, England, which is that, and I really do like that. I mean, it'll go perfectly in my collection. What next have we got on this? Cat Reaper magnet. That was one of the last things we had. Look, you can hear it all clanging next to me. Well, we did have the Cat Reaper magnet, and we did see it, but now I can't see it. Ah, I found it. There we go. Cat Reaper magnet. Whistle while you lurk Reaper patch, which again, that was cute. There we go. Dead Tired Cat Reaper bottle opener, which again, you can't really see that well, but it's gorgeous metallic purple, black at the bottom, really sturdy. I Love My Job Pastel Reaper Coaster. Yep. And then it says at the top there, Sorry You're Dying. I had to double check. Then we have the Reaper socks, which are awesome. And the Deadly Tarot Reaper tin card, which is there, which is really cool. Then, as always, all items are vegan and cruelty free. We donate £1 for every box sold to the Sophie Lancaster Foundation. And packaging peanuts 100% biodegradable, fully compostable and manufactured from renewable sources. As always, if you want your own box, just join coven.uk. I'm trying to think. They did post what April's box is going to be. I will just get that up and let you know. So April's box is going to be Moon Magic, and I can't get everything out nice and tidy just because of where I am recording this. But I can't wait for that. I love all my Coven boxes. I think they're excellent value for money. This is not sponsored, not endorsed, totally agenda free when I do this. It's just something I like to do. So that is it, my Gothletts. Turn that the right way. And I will see you next month for Coven's Moon Magic box.